Hey YouTube world, it's your boy B Clarity7 checking in, and I'm back to let you into my Robinhood investment account. Now today is Friday, January the 8th, 2021. This wraps up the first official week of the new 2021 year. And boy, has it been absolutely bananas. With that said though, the stock market has continued to just tear it up despite the chaos that occurred in Washington a few days ago, the pandemic that's still ongoing, just the overall political crisis, and even a low jobs report that just dropped the other day. Again, as I mentioned, despite all that, the stock market has still been doing very, very well. But let's go ahead and check out the current value of my stock market account. Now, as you can see, the investment account is at $18,000, and today it is up $210. For the past week, it is up $739. For the past month, the investment portfolio is up $1,228. For the past 3 months, the investment account is up $3,573. And for the past year, I'm up $4,395. Again, as I mentioned, it's been absolutely killing it. And again, that's despite everything that's been going on. The stock market, just basically almost everything is at record highs. And as you can see, Tesla is definitely one of the main ones. Right now, Tesla is at $865. And even if we can look at my own position in Tesla, I have 5 shares of Tesla. My average cost is $358, and it's a total return of over $2,500. And then if we can just break it down a little bit, let's go ahead and check out the total gains or loss. As you can see, I'm up in almost everything that I hold. There are only a few things that I'm down in, but again, as I mentioned, that's just a testament how the stock market has just continued to disregard all of the other chaos and stuff that's been occurring, which is why I constantly preach that you can't just rely on just having a job, or you can't just rely on, as far as the so-called leaders and politicians or whatnot to look out for us. You have to look out for yourself, or at least you have to be able to take care of yourself, your friends, and your family by thinking outside the box. And definitely investing in the stock market is a way to think outside the box. And just another way of, thinking outside the box and, as far as getting income and not just relying on a job. So not just stock market investing, dividend investing to be specific. I try to be a dividend investor, or at least majority of the stocks that I hold, they pay dividends. Dividends are basically just some of the profits or the surplus of income that particular companies they make. What they do is they'll pay that out to their shareholders either quarterly or monthly. Now, let's just check out some of the payments that I have pending. As you can see, February 11th, start off at the top, I got 63 cents pending. And then JP Morgan Chase pending 90 cents. Comcast pending 92 cents. Cisco pending $1.44. Realty Income, which is ticker symbol O, it's $2 pending, so on, just to show some of the payments that I've received the past 30 days. HPQ, that's Hewlett Packard, I received $3. UGI, I received $4, and so on. These dividend payments, these are the passive income that I've received, and this is just from holding these positions in these particular companies. As I mentioned again, these are called dividends. Dividends, you can earn these while you sleep. And I currently have on my drip feature. Drip is, as I receive the dividend payment, I just reinvest it right back into the very company, thus helping me to continue to acquire more shares, increasing my positions in these companies. But yeah, as I mentioned, I'm definitely aware that there was a lot of chaos that just occurred in Washington a couple of days ago. Super unfortunate. That was the result of the Democratic candidates taking the Senate election over in Georgia. And with that said, it's looking like the Democrats will be majority power in the House, the Senate, and then Joe Biden, who is a Democratic president, he's going to be taking office in the next 2 weeks. That has basically the reason why the stock market has been going up is just a lot of the fear that was occurring. It's kind of subsided. Biden is, his cabinet and his supporters, as far as Democratic supporters, are all promising those $2,000 stimulus checks. Those $2,000 stimulus checks are going to help. As far as vaccinations, he is talking about the vaccines. So as far as vaccines, and as far as stimulus checks, that's just really helping to ease a lot of the fear that was occurring that led to a lot of the dips. So again, when the fear has been eased, that is good news for the economy. That's good news for the stock market. So if you're not invested in the stock market, you definitely need to be investing because, like I said, there have been lots and lots of winners. Tesla, Apple, Hercules Capital, Switchback Energy, Microsoft, Bank of America. These are just a lot of the companies that I hold. I believe then if you invest in good quality companies, they're going to do well all the time. So you need to be a part of the winners, and that's how you can, as far as grow your positions. So yeah, I mean that's all. I just wanted to jump on. Like I said, it's Friday, it's the end of the week, and this is the first week of the new year. And I just want to make sure that you guys are investing. As you can see, I'm really, really up. And if you've been investing and been consistent this whole time, trust me, you're up too. You should also have a lot of green in your portfolio. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the B Cloud 87 channel if you're not already subscribed. Share this video with your friends and family. I'd really appreciate that. Lastly, if you're not already investing in the stock market using the Robinhood app, I have the link in the description. You can download the Robinhood app for your phone, create your account, and you can start investing on your very own. Again, as I mentioned, the stock market has been tearing it up. This past week, $768. That's just capital gains. That's just from investing in good companies. So, you need to be doing that. And, that's how you grow your money for the past year, where millions and millions of people have, suffered. And it's very, very unfortunate. But, as long as you stayed the course and you invested in the stock market, this did present an opportunity for you to make money. As you can see, my portfolio, it's up throughout that year, over 32%. I've literally, made over $4,000 in capital gains, as well as just the dividends that I've received throughout that year. So I really hope that you're not going to let fear stop you from jumping into the stock market, because the stock market is an excellent way to build your wealth. But again, yes, hit that like button, subscribe to the page if you are not already subscribed, and hit that description so you can download the Robinhood app for your phone, and you can start investing in the stock market on your very own too. Also drop a comment. I love to interact with the viewers, so I would appreciate that too. But yeah, everyone, enjoy the rest of your day. Have a safe weekend. You stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Peace.